Hi, this is Julie with Three Sister Sundries. I'm back today to do another page in my December Documented. Another page protector. So I want to make as close to 2-inch pockets as I can get. So what my idea was is to use my fuse tool. I've got a piece of page protector here that's closed on one side and the bottom, or sealed. And so I am going to overlap just a little bit so I leave a little bit more than 2 inches room inside my pocket, and then I will run my fuse tool along this 2-inch line to make a column. Then I'm going to move my line over on beyond that line, my fuse line beyond the line marked on my grid here, just a little bit, and then do another line at this 2-inch mark. Okay, now before I make the other squares, I am going to put this narrow strip. I'm going to take a craft blade and I'm going to cut, I'll start it over here, up next to, on my 2-inch line. Just want to cut through the top layer of page protector. I'll move it over. Finish that cut. And then I have this, so I can take my scissors and just finish that cut. Over to my line. Okay, now that I have my 2 slits made, I am going to line those up a little bit beyond that 2-inch mark, or that mark on my mat, and fuse just above them. Just to my farthest fuse line. Okay, I'm going to make another cut at 2 inches. Put that fuse line just beyond my mark, and then I'm going to cut again at the 2-inch mark. As you can see, I will not have room above here. This is where my 2-inch mark is. I won't have room for another pocket. So I am just going to trim that at 2 inches above that last fused mark. So that is about right there. I know it's hard to see, but okay, and then I will leave enough. Let's see, how much do I need to leave? Let me just measure it on there. about 1/2 inch. So I'm going to put this line just, I think, just beyond 1/2 inch, so I give myself just a little bit of room to fuse the edge. Now, I'm going to fuse this very edge. Okay, and then I need to punch holes. So, I need a piece of scrap paper. And I am just going to fold that and put my piece in there. And then I will eyeball it. Let me just make sure that it's right side up. No, it's not. Okay, put it in there right side up. Eyeball where I want the holes. That looks pretty even. Stick all that in there and punch. And that did not sound like it went all the way through. Well, it did, but my idea didn't work out as well as I'd hoped, but it did punch the holes, so that's what my concern is. We did get some holes. Okay. Alright. That'll work. Okay, so I have my own 2x2 pockets, and my idea was to turn every other one into a little shaker or add a little embellishment. I could put my number for the page, so I'll have front and back to put pictures in and embellishments. Okay, so I think what I want to do for now is just put some papers in, and I have these scraps left over from another page that I can cut into 2-inch squares and put in here. Then I'll have front and back for pictures. So let me get my trimmer and trim some of these down to 2x2. That's the bottom. Nope, that's the bottom. There we go. So I'll have one here. Get in there. Okay, one there. Let's see, other way. And I'll put one here. And then let's see, what else have we got? Got a stripe already, so we'll do this one. Turn it this way. Let's see, let's turn it this way. and one there. And then these spots will become shakers, and I will seal those with my fuse tool. So let me go mix up some shaker bits and I will be back. Alright, so now that we have all of our shaker bits, I want to add a number, I think, to probably this one, or maybe this one. This one's looking kind of empty. So I think what I want to do, let's see, what number are we on? 21, I think? Yes, 21. So let me see if I have a 21. I do. I think I will, what do we have on the back? Just green. I think that'll be okay. So I'm just going to trim this 21 out. And put that in that shaker. Okay, and then I will seal these up with the fuse tool and call this page done, probably. Alright, so there are my shaker bits in those little 3 sections, and then on the back I'll have my other paper showing, and you can see all the shaker bits from that side. So there we go. That page is done. So that'll be it for today. So I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.